So taking a quick look back at Chia, I've actually updated this downtrending level of support to a zone of support. As you can see, we've had touches at the midpoint of it, at the bottom of it, close to the bottom of it again, the midpoint, so on and so forth, the top of it. And if we take a Fibonacci retracement from this point right here to this point, you can actually see that we're getting very close to this 2618 level down here at around $56. So the reason why I drew this Fibonacci retracement from here to here is because it lines up with the price action pretty well. But you can see right here with the 618, when we did break to the upside, we had a substantial move. Broke it to the downside, had a substantial move. Tested it, had a substantial move, right? And even here when we looked up, we tested the 382 almost perfectly. So I wouldn't be surprised if we made our way all the way down to $56 and found a bounce here. Now, is this enough to send Chia in an uptrend? I'm not sure. If we check the market cap here, you can see it's not really doing anything significant. It's pretty much been sideways, as I've mentioned in the past. The market cap is still extremely low. And really the only thing, in my opinion, that's really driving the price lower is mainly miner capitulation. So people who are mining or farming Chia, selling their coins. But again, as I mentioned in the past, it's worth a mention that people who are buying this coin haven't really sold, right? Take a look at the EMA ribbon as well as the Ichimoku cloud. You can actually see that the cloud is getting thinner ahead of us. And, it's worth a note that we have been testing this EMA ribbon since, back in December. It's been 125 days that we've been testing the EMA ribbon to the downside. So, $56 could very well be the bottom. If we turn on the RSI here, you can see we're still having that bullish RSI divergence as I mentioned previously. The only problem I'm seeing with this is actually bearish hidden divergence. We set a higher high on the RSI, but a lower high on the price action. So we'll just have to see how this plays out. If this bearish RSI divergence does play out, it could very well reset the bullishness of this. And at that point, we might not be able to hold this $56 level, and we could very well break this downtrend to the downside. Now, if we do make our way all the way down to say $30 or so at the 3618, I feel like it'll be kind of testing this downtrend slowly and then kind of bounce off of this. I don't suspect we break this to the downside, but it could very well happen. So we do manage to get a bounce at $56. We could very well see a move all the way up to around $100. And it could very well be enough to send us through $100 all the way up to this red box at around 152. And this is mainly coming from, we've tested this EMA ribbon so often throughout the past, 100 something days here that this could very well be an explosive move. And really, if we don't hold this zone around $56, we could very well start testing this green box again and make our way all the way down to $30. This is all I have for Chia today. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do so as I try to post content daily. As always, this is not financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one.